Material ecosystem, nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration, art and antimicrobial, insulation, fire protection, waterproofing, anti-noise, anti-stick, anti-graffiti, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, ensure the integrity of materials and concrete structure for bridge, tunnel, wharf, in the field of transportation. Part A. About U.S. guard industry, France. Guard industry, France, as the world's leading brand, always pioneering and leading in the research and application of nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration, art and antimicrobial, insulation, fire protection, waterproofing, anti-noise, anti-stick, anti-graffiti, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, ensure integrity material, structure and mechanic, in most areas. In most areas helps restore the original beauty. Challenge with time. Do not pollute the environment, extend service life, save costs. Nanotechnology of guard industry. France has been applied in almost all fields of life and has provided solutions for tens of thousands of projects around the world. Guard industry was founded in 1989 in France, with more than 20 patents, present in over 80 countries and territories. Nano Pham Ecosystem. Connecting, sharing, spreading. With the tradition of building and defending the country, with the spirit of national solidarity and aspiration for a Vietnam as powerful and prosperous. The Nano Pham Ecosystem, formerly known as Nano Pham Gia Corporation, was founded in 2008, and Nano Pham Avengers, Nano Pham Green, Nano Pham Solution, Home Ecosystem, Material Ecosystem, Fire Protection Ecosystem, Water Ecosystem, Specialist Ecosystem, Metaverse Ecosystem, with partners has been following and making its aspirations come true. Business philosophy and commitments of Nano Pham Ecosystem. Nano Pham Ecosystem constantly connects and cooperates with experts, scientists, partners and organizations, big brands, companies, multidisciplinary groups, with domestic and international reputation. Also representing many leading brands in the world such as Guard Industry, take care of materials. Nanovir Technologies, extending the surface life of paint by 10+ years. HR Tot Guard, USA. Some Q. We are here to solve your trouble. Tarraco, the house of Scandinavian finishing materials. Vestergaard, impacting people. Biosera. All healthy water go through safety Biosera. Nano Pham Ecosystem, with members who have been certified for quality management systems ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 45001-2018 and other certifications and certificates, are evaluated appropriately and meet the requirements according to Vietnamese standards, international standards. Part B. Overview of concrete materials. Why is concrete so popular? Concrete is a combination of many different components, creating a material with a strong structure. The composition of concrete includes stone, gravel, sand, cement, binder, and steel for reinforced concrete works. Basic properties of concrete. Concrete has a durable structure and a long service life. Good compressive strength. Has good linkage, suitable for large projects. Solid beauty, creating a feeling of grandeur. Easy to shape. Less wear and tear. Many other great features. Popular types of concrete works. Concrete is commonly used in interior and exterior design of architectural, transportation, industry and civil works, houses, schools, hospitals, railway stations, airports. Current concrete status in the works. Physiochemical processes. Due to alkali, silica form ettringite crystals. Corrosion to concrete surfaces. After a period of use, climate, the environment affects the concrete surface, making the concrete surface appear many cracks, revealing the inner reinforcement. Reduce the life of the project. Concrete surface adheres to moss, mold, water, moisture. Carbonation reaction occurs between airborne CO2 and CaO2 in concrete, reduces the alkali level in concrete, activates the reinforcement corrosion process, causing softening of a concrete surface, causing concrete to be damaged. The carbonation process starts from the concrete surface and spreads into the concrete. Reduces the alkali level in concrete, activates the reinforcement corrosion process. For buildings in or near the sea environment, chloride corrosion of reinforcement in concrete. Chloride ions in seawater penetrate the concrete to corrode reinforcement in concrete. Sulfurization of concrete attack. Sulfate combined with C3A tricalcium aluminate in cement forming ettringite crystals. This reaction increases concrete volume, causing cracking of concrete structure. Current methods of concrete protection. Currently, the most common method to protect concrete structures is to use paint or surface coating chemicals. Paint is an organic or inorganic glue compound mixed with pigments and additives. Paint is applied to the surface to create a protective layer of concrete. However, this method is not effective, because of some disadvantages as follows. The internal steam cannot escape, causing the concrete surface not to come into contact with the natural environment, non-breathing materials. The layer of water vapor on the surface creates an environment for the development of moss, mold, easy to stain, damage the concrete surface. Losing the aesthetics of concrete. Aging the surface, turning color, reducing the life of the project. Affects the steel structure inside. Guard industry, France, nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration, art. And antimicrobial, insulation, fire protection, waterproof. Anti-noise, anti-stick, anti-graffiti, anti-rust, anti-corrosion. Ensure the integrity of material, concrete structure. For bridge, tunnel, wharf. In the field of transportation. About U.S., guard industry, France. Guard industry, France, as the world's leading brand, always pioneering and leading in the research and application of nanotechnology, new technology, treatment, restoration, care, protection, decoration, art and antimicrobial, insulation, fire protection, waterproofing, anti-noise, anti-stick, anti-graffiti, anti-rust, anti-corrosion. Ensure integrity material, structure and mechanic, in most areas. In most areas helps restore the original beauty. Challenge with time. Do not pollute the environment, extend service life, save costs. Nanotechnology of guard industry. France has been applied in almost all fields of life and has provided solutions for tens of thousands of projects around the world. Guard industry was founded in 1989 in France, with more than 20 patents, present in over 80 countries and territories. Technology solutions. Treatment, restoration and care. Materials that have been used or have been aged, discolored, rusted. Return to the original condition without changing the properties of the material and without forming a film, without peeling. Protection and decoration. Keeping materials new, defying time, resisting harmful agents, with nanotechnologies, new technologies, colorless or colored on demand. Fire protection, anti-stick, anti-graffiti, is the latest technology with a special chemical structure to create, and at the same time many features such as anti-oil, waterproof, anti-scratch, lotus leaf, effect, anti-fouling, anti-graffiti, anti-aging, UV resistant, fire protection, anti-corrosion for materials. This is a particularly effective and useful solution, technology and product that helps to fight against electrochemical, chemical, mechanical and other corrosive agents, or create separating membranes or use sacrificial materials, by the simultaneous application of nanotechnologies, non-film forming osmosis technology and a combination of many other technologies, simplify the implementation process, no noise and no air pollution, economic efficiency, prolong the life of materials, challenge with time, save maintenance or replacement costs and limit the impact on the operation and exploitation process, and many other preeminent features. Nanotechnology, new technology. Technology solutions. Guard industry has successfully applied the latest technology to create environmentally friendly products with superior quality, features and performance. Durability can last over 10 years. Nanotechnology is the technology to create extremely small molecules of nanometer size, 10 to 9 meters, with a lot of superior features. Fluoride technology is the latest technology with a special chemical structure that simultaneously produces many features such as oil resistance, waterproof, scratch resistance, lotus effect, anti-aging, anti-UV rays, etc. Osmosis and non-membrane technology. Chemical molecules penetrate deeply into materials. Non-membrane. Restore the original color or change the material's color as required but does not affect the surface texture of the materials. Allow the materials to breathe, air can pass through. Advantages of nanotechnology of guard industries. Eco-friendly. Water-based, non-silicone, low VOX, decomposition greater than 95%. Create a colorless protective layer on the material's surface or make the color on request. Be resistant to water, oil, coffee, stain, etc. very effectively. No change to the surface of materials, no membrane formation, no surface peel. Deep penetration into materials, not affected by surface friction. Allow air and water vapor inside to pass through, breathable. Keep the material dry, self-clean and durable over time, etc. The efficiency when using the technological solution of guard industry. Anti-degradation of materials. Keep the materials fresh, enhance the value of the property. Always create a new, beautiful image. Cost saving for new replacements. Advanced features. The climate of Vietnam is a humid tropical climate, monsoon climate, so it is not possible to use conventional painting methods. If these methods are used, annual maintenance is required, which is costly and unsightly. Currently, most of the world's constructions use self-cleaning concrete protection technology. Long service life with many advantages of guard industry, France. The efficiency nanotechnology of guard industry. The current protection methods on the market often create a film covering the concrete surface, making the concrete unable to breathe and without evaporation. However, nanotechnology of guard industry puts osmotic molecules deep into the concrete, making the material breathable. Concrete surface is airy so it does not stagnate water, helps to prevent moss, moisture, stains. The efficiency nanotechnology of guard industry in the marine environment. Nanotechnology of guard industry puts molecules penetrating deep inside, forming a film around the steel core. This solution just prevents seawater from penetrating, helping to limit the corrosion effect of sea salt and the phenomenon of surface peeling, which allows air and steam to penetrate the concrete surface. Materials can breathe. Guard industry nanotechnology effectiveness prevents fouling initial state. Guard industry color nanotechnology has the ability to dye. Both help restore the original state, protect concrete, mortar, GRC, and increase the aesthetics of the project. With a variety of colors, about 10,000 colors, the owner of the project can color and design artworks on the concrete surface, using as normal paint. Efficiency use of guard industry nanotechnology colored protection. In addition, nanotechnology of guard industry can create artistic decorative effects on concrete surfaces with very high durability, no peeling, no discoloration over time, bringing aesthetic to the public submit. Comparison. Typical projects of concrete, bridge, tunnel, wharf. Project T2 International Airport Bridge, Noi Bai International Terminal. Project T2 International Airport Bridge, Da Nang International Terminal. Project International Airport Bridge, Tan Son Nhut International Terminal. Project Thuy Duong Overpass, Department of Transport Thua Thien Hue. Project, Kai Land Overpass, Department of Transport Quang Ninh. Typical projects of industrial field. Typical projects of hospitality field. Part D. Typical projects have been and are being implemented. Nanotechnology, new technology in other fields. Treatment, restoration, care and protection of comprehensive material. Domestic and international communication. Domestic and international certification. Are typical partners.